In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make a post on a Facebook page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, and on the first step we just need to switch from our main Facebook profile to a page. To do that, go to menu, then tap right here at that arrow next to your name. That will show you your current Facebook profile and all of your pages. I got just one page here, and we can easily switch between our profile and pages in that way. Once you switched to your page, all you have to do to make a post is just tap right here where it says what's on your mind. After that, right here, you will be able to add some text. Also, we can add a background for that text. Then, if we tap right there, we'll be able to add a photo or video, create live video, add a location, change background color, and also add or use all this stuff. Once you've done with that, just tap at post to publish that post to your Facebook page. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.